Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I upload a short, which I've already done, and then I go back and I edit it on my laptop. So I click on here and I give it a title. But first, before I do that, I want to come down here and put my tags in because I've already have that uploaded in my clipboard. I personally keep a list in my email for me to refer back to pretty easily for my tags, and I can just copy and paste, and I have it pretty close to the, oh, it went over 500. So sometimes when I copy and paste, I copy something extra. Okay, yeah, I copied my title. So when I copy my title, I end up with going over the 500. So you can see I'm pretty, oh, that's not right. What just happened? Okay, let me hit Control Z and see what happens. I don't know. I just deleted some extra stuff, but normally I think my copy and paste tag is like 497 out of 500, so I can maximize the amount of tags that I have here. So anyways, so yeah, I copy and paste my tags, and I like to copy and paste my video details from another video. So I just Control C that, and then I paste it in here. So that's quick and easy, and I'm working on making my description longer. I'm only at around like 2,000 something characters, and I can get up to 5,000. So I'm working on making that longer. So that's my description with all my referral links and things. And the title is going to be YouTube tutorial, edit your playlist, how to add existing videos to an existing playlist. Okay, so, oh, they're suggesting these hashtags. I don't know about that because when I add the hashtags, it puts me over the character number that you're allowed. So um, I never do the hashtags. Let's see if this one puts me over. Yeah. So yeah, let me know if you think it's better to have the hashtags in there or the all the writing in there. Let me know what your results have been with that. Okay, so I got my title down, my description down, and I'm scrolling down to see what else I need to change. When I upload my short, I always say I always edit this already, so that's done. Uh, Not made for kids. Kids can view it, but I think if you click it's made for kids, then it inhibits your ability to monetize and comments being made, I believe. If you know something different, let me know. Always check my video contains paid promotion just because I want to make sure I do that appropriately. I don't know if I need to do that or not because nobody's actually paying for this video at this point in time. Maybe one day. And I think everything is good here. And then you can choose your comment preferences. I always do that when I upload the short. And then I like to show how many videos viewers like this video. I may not have a lot of likes yet, but one day I'm going to have a ton, so why not? And this is public. Somehow when I was doing something got changed to private recently. So that's how I go through and I edit my video details and such after I've uploaded a short. Much easier to do it on the laptop than the phone, from what I can tell. Let me know if you think something different. And then you click save. And then you can see that it's all changed. Everything's good. Take care.